Today, guys, the big day has arrived. Long story short, on November 14th of last year, unfortunately, we realized that Pamela's car, which was parked on the street under our house, had disappeared. Obviously, the story I posted on my Instagram profile desperately looking for this car was useless, just like the report we filed with the police, who never found the vehicle. Fortunately, though, our family has enough vehicles, so most of Pamela's trips to keep her from having to walk to work were made with my car. Pamela has always been a super independent person, and I know, knowing her, how hard it is for her to ask me to borrow the car. However, the time has finally come to help her regain her independence by giving her this gift. Probably many of you will ask me why she didn't get another car. Well, the answer is very simple. We didn't want to put a new car here where the previous one was stolen to avoid risking ending up in the same situation again. So, since the garage seems to be the safest place in our house, the idea I had was to give her a new two-wheeled vehicle. So, the plan is simple. Take her with me to the NIU store in Rome to pick up the new vehicle. But to keep her from figuring it out, what I came up with, which isn't really a lie, let's say it's a half-truth, is that I have to go pick up my Ice Squid 3 after Sardinia, and especially after the accident I had in Sardinia. As you saw in the video, I'll link in the top right corner, it had a damaged rear tire. Probably from what they told me, it was the inner tube. So, in today's video, I'm taking you to the store with me and her to show you Pamela's reaction when I present her with the new vehicle. Here she is, splendid, as beautiful as the sun, gentlemen. She's the most accident-prone in Sardinia. While we're on our way to the store, can you please tell us how you're doing? Because guys, well, some people have asked me, so let's give some updates after the accident. How's your life going?
Better. Little by little, I'm recovering.
But we're already without the brace.
Yeah, well, already.
We're 30.
33 days.
You're not counting them.
The years of Christ. The days, not the years.
Listen, and any pain after the hit?
Bad, it still hurts. I'm in pain. I can lift it, but it hurts.
You don't know, but today we'll also find out how much you'll pay for the damage you caused.
I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. Everything was perfect. Nothing was missing.
Until you decided to crash.
I was learning to
go.
Exactly.
And then
Instead.
And
then things went the way they went. Well, mistakes happen. You learn from your mistakes, so I learned.
The important thing is to get back in the saddle.
Exactly, right away, as soon as I could. Yes, I would have gotten back on, but I couldn't lift my arm, so nothing. Let's go find out what I've done, what damage I've caused, and I'm sorry for the NIU guys.
Here we are, guys. She's back to 100% of her capabilities. Inner tube repaired, and we're officially ready to take her home.
Okay.
Listen, but can I say something? Let's take a little walk around the shop. Dario, how's it going? Everything okay?
All good, you?
All good?
Here you are, I was waiting for you.
Listen to that. I'll record it again.
Today?
Today. But I think there's someone who needs to pick something up.
I think a package has arrived for me.
Did it arrive for you?
I can't find it. I have a package that's on the way, but I think this is the one.
I think it's for someone here.
Come on.
But they're the one who caused the damage, though.
What is it?
But what?
Definitely not a horse.
But is it mine?
It's yours. We understand. See if you like it for now. Really professional wrapping, by the way.
I know.
I see some real skill here.
Let's see.
Are you starting right at the front?
Let's see. At least I understand it immediately. Otherwise, I'm lost.
Let's see.
I'll give you a hand, okay?
There's a mirror.
2 mirrors.
2 as well.
So is it?
How cute.
Careful. The color is white, just like the Fiat 500 that was stolen from you. Do you like it?
Nice. All red.
Well, this one is mine. It's yours, it's yours, it's yours.
Oh, wonderful.
It's your joke. All right, let's finish unwrapping it here.
And he was looking right at that, and I told you how cute. And I went straight over there.
But actually, it was right here in front of you.
Yeah, white, beautiful. Looks great in black, too.
White is the best.
No, white. It was just like the Cinquecento, of course. So thank you.
This one? Should we cut the ribbon? Listen now, good Dario will explain to you for a moment how everything works. Also because, well, for now I couldn't drive it, given my arm.
Yes, the recovery.
Yes, I would avoid it for now. Dario, the floor is yours.
So, This is a 125. It can also go on the highway on the ring road. This is the MNQX 500, the top model in the current NIU series with many features. It's not a simple scooter, but it's easy to use. From starting it up, which is a bit like the motorcycle you've already had.
Yes?
The display opens up where you can customize practically everything, from regenerative braking to traction control, ABS. This scooter has it all. You can start it like this with the app or via Bluetooth. We also have a very advanced alarm system.
Yes, there's an alarm.
This way it's protected against any kind of theft.
Exactly.
Obviously, here we have.
It will be full of alarms from November 17th.
As in all NIU models, there's also global positioning system here. So in the app, there's global positioning system, and that's definitely a deterrent.
It also seems very convenient to me.
It is. It's also lightweight. Here you have more driving modes. Here we go to sport, dynamic, there's rain.
More compared to the other one, or more modes?
A lot more.
I actually thought the opposite, since I'm in between.
No, this is our most advanced model. It has a top speed of 110 km/h and a range of about 100 km.
Was that the question I was about to ask? I hadn't asked you yet.
It has a 100 km range and is very powerful. I've seen how you drive.
Badly.
No. I mean, if you drive it without giving it a break, obviously the range is a bit less than 100 kilometers. I'll show you how to recharge.
Okay, that's the other question.
I think it's important.
The first two were autonomy and recharging it.
So the seat opens in many ways. I just wanted to explain a few things today. To open it, simply press the power button twice and the seat opens. The underseat compartment fits 2 helmets. You can recharge here if you have a box or garage nearby to bring it closer. Otherwise, the batteries are removable.
Listen, what's the battery warranty? What about vehicle maintenance?
It's simple. The warranty covers everything on the vehicle and the batteries for the first 2 years, as long as all the necessary checks are carried out, so regular maintenance. We have a service at 1,000 kilometers, another at 5,000 or less, but after the warranty, we recommend a checkup every 2 years. The current service cost is 80 euros for the following services. This lets us partially disassemble and clean your scooter in certain areas.
Speaking of prices, what kind of prices are we talking about?
This is turnkey with the eco incentive. With the top model and a 30% eco incentive, though funds are currently depleted, you might still get it. The price is $3,699 turnkey.
Okay, already ready to hit the road?
Ready to hit the road with scrappage would be even less.
Okay, scrappage. Of which vehicles?
A Euro 3 combustion scooter owned for over a year by you or a cohabiting family member.
And in that case, how much additional discount are we talking about?
Another 10% brings this model to about 3,300 euros. I hope you like it.
No, it's wonderful. You surprised me beautifully. Wow.
We're happy. Great.
Here we are, now finally riding this NIU MQX 500, which is fully comparable to a 125cc gas-powered bike with a full charge range of 130 kilometers. At least that's what the scooter claims. We'll see during today's ride if that's true or not. The feeling after the first few kilometers of riding, I can guarantee you it's truly premium, both in terms of finishes and in the mechanics of the scooter itself. I don't know how to explain it to you. I mean, it's nice, sturdy, solid. Right now we're in dynamic mode. Not the most powerful one, because there's sport and then race, which is fully customizable by the user. In terms of assist then, like you can remove ABS or traction control. Also in terms of regenerative braking. A bit like Tesla. I mean, when you take your foot off the gas, in this case your hand, it starts thanks to the engine slowing down to recover energy. The driving comfort, I have to be honest, is very good. You don't feel any vibrations at all. And also the braking system, as you can see, I didn't squeeze the lever all the way, but it's very good. Auto hold activates automatically so I can stay stopped without using the brakes. The electric motor acts as a lock. How's it back there? Good? How does it feel? Passenger?
Very comfortable.
Is the passenger seat comfortable?
Very comfortable.
Awesome. Footrests?
Top. Really, the position.
It's comfortable. You know, I've seen other electric scooters and many don't have it. The under seat compartment is where the batteries are stored. This one, guys, has a really spacious compartment. In fact, it can fit 2 jet helmets, or in our case, just 1 full face helmet. The acceleration pickup is nice and strong even though we're not in race mode. The dynamic, as you can see, stops at 65 kilometers per hour. But it's able to reach with no problem, and me on top, I weigh about 90 to 95 kilos on the highway, 110 to 115 kilometers per hour. If we want a bit more pep, right here behind the right control block, there's the Ultra Boost mode, which can push the scooter up to 130 kilometers per hour with the same weight. It's awesome. Perfect for getting around the city.
I love it.
But then at this price, I mean, it's crazy.
I mean, it's comfortable. You don't feel any vibrations.
But it's also high-tech. It's got a ton of features. The cool thing is it even tells me the weather. When I turn it on, the battery displays consumption, instant usage, and the temperature of both batteries. There's also an accessory that can measure and tell you the tire pressure in real time. We're poor, so we didn't add the accessory for now. Then, by going to downtown Rome, we'll put it to the test in terms of reliability and build quality, because it's full of cobblestones. As you can see, Rome's asphalt isn't great. We have cobblestones everywhere. Let me tell you, it does. Today is an important day for us anyway. We're going to book the city hall where we'll officially get married. Let me tell you, it does. I'm excited and happy today. Let's add more energy at the traffic light. Now let's try the race with the Ultra Boost. We floor it to check the 0 to 100 acceleration. How long does it take? Hold on, it's necessary. It's actually NIU who asked us to do this test. Sorry, I meant 0 to 50 acceleration since we're in the city. My mistake. Here we are. Here we are. A nice progression. We're going down to the end of the straight. A powerful braking maneuver. Oh my! Yeah, it knows, huh? This little bike knows what it's doing. Trust me. 2 up easy, not even tuned. Full gas and off we go. Cool, huh? Hey, there are 2 of us on here. Crazy.
Go easy, you'll mess it up.
Auto hold, I let go. Left and right. You have to get used to cars being silent, especially in busy cities like Rome or Milan. It's always better. You need to be extra careful when riding an electric motorcycle or scooter, whatever it is. They're fixing all Rome's roads for the Jubilee. No more potholes. Impossible. Meanwhile, down here is the Circus Maximus, the tomb of Caracalla. Here we are, the mouth of truth, a bit of San Pietrini. And the registry office, it should be right there. Closed. Let's put away the ramps so no one hits them. Scooters off. Done. We're here. How was it? Good. Cool, right? Crazy, right?
Let's say goodbye to the Rome Municipal Office, and at this point, let's also go see the hall we've booked to get married.
Obviously, we're taking the trip with our nice NIU anyway, guys, even on the cobblestones. Wow, isn't it nice? Personally, I feel like I can recommend it to you, especially if you have a son or daughter you want to give a vehicle to. Maintenance costs are virtually 0, and you won't spend any gas getting around the city. It's really awesome. That's the one. Now I'll take it for a spin. This is the Municipal Hall of the Baths of Caracalla. Behind that wall are the Baths of Caracalla, and in front is the Circus Maximus. So we've reached the end of this video as well. Thank you for watching. I hope I was able to introduce you. A scooter that's different from the usual. Very nice. And above all, it really has excellent build quality. Do you have anything you want to add?
Super cool. Buy it.
She got it as a gift. Very lucky. If you want to come to our wedding right outside here at the Baths of Caracalla, please do. We would definitely be happy to have you all. October 18th, 2025 at 12:30 post-meridian. If you want to come hang out here outside with your motorcycles, we'll see you here. Hi guys.